Hello guys, this is Deep here and once again welcome back to my channel Technique, and today in our tech tutorial episode I will show you how to remove ads from your Xiaomi phone running on MIUI 9 or 10. If you have a Xiaomi smartphone that runs MIUI, you have seen a bunch of annoying ads from the security app to the widgets, and this tutorial will help you to remove all these ads, and for this you have to follow some steps here. So let's start. First, we have to remove ads from Xiaomi's MIUI. If you have logged in via MIUI account, there is one way to reduce system-wide advertisement a lot. This ad shows up when you open certain preloaded apps and among the widgets that shows up when you swipe to the left on the default home screen. So here are the steps to remove them. So first, go to the settings, then additional settings, then privacy or authorization and revocation. This option is different for some MIUI version, and then disable MSA. You will see an error that reads couldn't revoke authorization. When you do this for the first time, try step 2 and 3 more and you will see a message saying that it's been revoked. Or for some other version, go to the privacy, then go to the notification and disable MSA. Again, another thing, you have to disable personalized and ad recommendation, and for this open settings, then again additional settings, and then privacy, then scroll down and tap ad service and disable the personalized ad recommendation. This should get rid of some system level ads and tracking. However, multiple Xiaomi apps such as MI browser still shows ad. Here is how you can go to each app manually and disable ads. Now to remove ads from Xiaomi's MI browser, go to MI browser. Tap the 3 vertical lines aka hamburger icon on the bottom right. Tap settings. Tap notification and turn it off. Now go back to the previous page. Tap privacy and security. Now disable recommended for you. Go back to the previous page again. Tap advanced. Now tap site order and disable the receive recommendation. Go back to the previous page and set start page. Choose custom. Enter the URL of any website such as google.com or anything you want as a home page, starting home page. Then OK. Now to get rid of ads from MIUI security app, open the MIUI security app. Tap the setting icon on the top right. Scroll down and disable receive recommendation. Again, to remove ads from cleaner, follow the steps. Open MIUI security app. Tap setting icon on the top right. Tap cleaner. Scroll down and disable receive recommendation. Even the downloads app shows ads in MIUI. Here is how to remove these ads. Open MIUI downloads app. Here is downloads app. Tap 3 vertical dot icon on the top right. Tap settings. Disable show recommended content. press OK. Now we will remove ads from MIUI Music app. So here are the steps. Open MIUI Music. Tap 3 vertical lines aka hamburger icon on the top left. Then go to settings. Tap advanced settings and disable receive recommendation. Now here is how to clear the ads from the MI video app. Open the MI video app. Tap the 3 vertical lines aka hamburger icon on top left. Tap settings. Turn off online recommendation and also turn off push messages. And this will disable recommended videos showing up in the app along with notification. Now lots of app folders have promoted apps that are waiting to be downloaded, and these annoying ads can be removed by the following these steps. Open any app folder on your Xiaomi smartphone. Tap the name of the folder. Disable the promoted app. So that's all you have to do. So guys, if you like this video and the video seems to be very useful to you, then like, comment and share this video to let know others, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.